To make Chinese tofu, egg and prawns, first wash your hands. Then, wash 12 prawns in a colander. Sprinkle with salt and rinse them again to wash the salt off. Pat the prawns dry with kitchen paper and put them into a large bowl. Don't forget to wash your hands after touching raw prawns. Crack 4 eggs. Check for any eggshell and tip them into a jug. Wipe your hands after handling raw eggs. Add a pinch of salt to the eggs, beat them with chopsticks or a fork, and add them to the bowl of prawns. Use scissors to carefully top and tail 2 spring onions and cut them into small pieces. Then add half of the spring onions to your egg and prawn mixture. Save the other half of the spring onions for later. Put some water into a jug, add sesame oil, soy sauce, and fish sauce. Give it all a stir and pour it into the prawn and egg mixture before mixing it all again. Drain silken tofu onto kitchen paper to remove any extra liquid. Then carefully cut the tofu into small pieces using a table knife. Put the tofu pieces into an oven-proof bowl. Snap 8 long stem pieces of broccoli into smaller bits and arrange them on top of the tofu. Then pour the egg and prawn mixture all over the tofu and broccoli. Use your fork or chopsticks to make sure everything is covered. Ask a grown-up to put the oven-proof bowl onto a deep baking tray and cover the bowl with 2 layers of kitchen foil. Pour some water into the baking tray to cover the base, then ask them to put the tray in the oven for you. Once it's cooked, sprinkle over the rest of the spring onions before serving. This is a My World Kitchen green recipe that can be eaten often.